How's it guys, Josh from Kaizen Wellness, and I'm back to answer another one of your questions. Today's question comes from a lady called Megan. And Megan wants to know, Jock, I'm an accountant with very high levels of stress. I end up stress eating chips and chocolate. How do I control or even stop this bad habit? Megan, thank you so much for your question. Stress eating is like most bad habits. You can subdue it the same way that you subdue any habit that you don't want anymore. That is what my course and what the program, the coaching part of it is all about. Eliminating the habits that don't serve you and replacing them with habits that align your daily actions with your goals so that you can make daily progress towards achieving the life that you actually want. I like to start our clients off with adding more value instead of just trying to quit that bad habit called turkey. Pour more goodness into your life so that there's less space for those bad habits. And once you have more quality habits, the negative habits will get less appealing. And in some cases, and in my experience, a lot of people stop those habits spontaneously. For example, if someone wants to stop stress eating the chips and the chocolates, like you said, I'd start them off with a healthy, balanced breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 3 healthy meals a day is a great base to now build on. And FYI, Megan, some chips and chocolates can be part of an overall healthy diet and weight loss strategy if the majority of your diet is quality nutrition. And if you want to lose weight, that your calories are still in the correct deficit for that goal. Food is both fuel and pleasure, and chocolate can form part of that strategy if it brings you joy. I would also then look into stress relieving activities. Important, you have to bring the daily joy. So think about what brings you joy. Then go and do more of that. Hobbies, activities that you enjoy will go a long way towards bringing down that stress levels. And then finally, I would also get a very disciplined practice around meditation. Daily practice, guys. 3 months of daily meditation will be life-changing, I promise you. There's some quality data on meditation with a wide range of benefits, including stress relief. So there you have it, 3 things that you can do to start building better habits and to relieve the stress that is causing you to stress eat the chocolate and the chips. Now let's quickly recap those 3 things. First off, fill your day with healthy nutrition, breakfast, lunch, dinner, so that there's less space for the food choices that don't align with your goals. And secondly, add more fun and joy in your day today to help you relieve the stress. Thirdly, start a daily breathwork or meditation practice. Guys, that's it for this quick video. Megan, I hope I answered your question. I can't wait to see you on the course. And if you want more information on the course, guys, please visit our website, www.kaizenite.com. And if you have a question, send it to us via WhatsApp directly from our website. Again, that's it for this quick video. Have a beautiful day.